It's a girl Jessica. I make your boy weak like a baby with a pacifier. I'm spitting blue fire, spitting blue fire, spitting blue fire. Crochet queen, call me cider. I make your boy weak like a baby with a pacifier.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica. So today we're going to be learning how to make this polo shirt I'm wearing. It's a cropped polo shirt, but if you want it to be longer, you can make more squares and bring it down to normal polo shirt length if you don't want it to be cropped. If you're interested in making this polo shirt, watch this tutorial. It's a unisex polo shirt. So for this tutorial, we're going to be needing this yarn. I'm using these three colors, and this will be my background color. I'm using these three colors: the sky blue, the brown, and the creamy yellow. So for this tutorial, we're going to be needing the big triangle, the small granny triangle, the rectangle with the placket, and the squares. If you want to make the squares, I have the tutorial up here, and I will tag it under the description of this video. So these are the 4 pieces we need to make this polo shirt work. So I'll go ahead, show you how to make this mini triangle granny, then the big one, and then the rectangle with the placket. I have made a lot of granny squares, so make 34 granny squares. And for the 34, what you are going to do is measure around your bust and divide it into 8. So if you measure your bust and divide it into 8, each of those squares will be your bust measurement divided by 8. So as you can see, this is 5 inches. This is 5 inches. So the bust measurement of this is 40 inches. So 40 divided by 8, you will get 5. So make 34 of this, and you will make 4 of this triangle, the big triangle, and 4 of this smaller one, then 2 of this. For this smaller triangle, what we are going to do is I made 4 rows of this because this is 8 rows. So half of that 8 row is 4 rows. So I made 4 of this tiny one. So the tiny one will be the half. Like if you made 6 rows for the big one, for this square, your smaller triangle will be 3 rows. That is until you have 3 of this. You stop. If this square is 10 rows, you will make 5 rows of this. When you attach it here, it will cover the half of the square. You understand? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the half of the square. So if you made 8, this will be 4 rows. If you made 10 rows, this will be 5 rows. If you made 4 rows, this will be 2 rows. Now for the smaller triangle, what we are going to do is make a magic circle, chain 4, yarn over, go into the same magic circle and put 3 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, and 3 double crochet, I'm using this color because it's the background color. So go ahead, use the color you want for your background color. Chain 1, yarn over, go into the same ring with your double crochet and close here up. Chain 4, that is double crochet, chain 1, turn, yarn over, go into that chain 1 space and put 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the corner where we have 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Go and put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that space. Yarn over into this chain 1, put 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, all in the same space, chain 4, that is double crochet, chain 1, yarn over into the same space, put 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next space, put 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next space where we have corner, put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next space, put 3 double crochet. Yarn over into that chain 1 space, put 3 double crochet, chain 1 and the double crochet. Now this is what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and do another round. Each round starts with chain 4, which is double crochet, chain 1. You yarn over into that chain 1 space, you put 3 double crochet. You yarn over into the next space, 3 double crochet, into the next space, 3 double crochet till you get to this corner where you will put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. You continue with 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. When you come to this chain 1 space here, you put 3 double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. So you keep going around till you have how many rows you need. I'm going to go ahead and complete this 4th row, which is the row I need because my main square is 8 rows. So go ahead, make 4 of this and you come back. I'm done with my mini triangle and I have chain 1 and cut my yarn. Now we have 4 of it. So 4 of this. But this one is the same as this square, just in half form. For us to form the half form, let me show you how to go about it. Chain 4, that is double crochet chain 1, yarn over, go into the same ring and do your double crochet chain 1, yarn over, into the same ring with double crochet chain 1, yarn over, double crochet. Do that till you have 8 double crochets. I'll come back to meet you. I'm at the end. I have 8 double crochets. Chain up 3 and close up your ring. On your work, yarn over, go into that space with double crochet and another double crochet. You put that 2 double crochet there plus this chain 3, you will form 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet. Put 3 double crochet in each space till we come back to this place. And at the end of the row, I have worked 3 double crochet in that last space. Chain up 3, turn your work, yarn over into this space, put 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space in between the 3 double crochets, put 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space, 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space, 3 double crochet. Work like that till you get to the end here, and I'll meet you here. At the end of the row, yarn over, go into that first double crochet, insert your hook on the top and do your double crochet. Chain up 4. This is the 4th row. Chain up 4. We have been chaining 3 before we turn, but this time we are going to chain 4 before we turn. That is double crochet chain 1, yarn over into this space, go in there with 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over and double crochet in the same stitch, and turn your work. That is double crochet chain 1. Go into that chain 1 space and put 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next with 3 double crochet. Yarn over into the next with 3 double crochet. Just like in the main square, we started forming the square in the 4th row. So while you are working on this one, when you get to the 4th row, we start putting double crochet chain 1 before the 3 double crochet to form the triangle. You can change your color on these ones. As you can see, I made 1 already. I made 3 already, sorry. So you can change your color the way you want. Don't mind me that I'm using the same color. You can change your color just like in the square. But this one, you need to use one color. But you can go ahead and change color anyway. Doesn't matter once the color is on your color palette. Just because it's a smaller piece, I feel that it's better for you to do it with the background color. So go ahead. I'm going to work 8 rows because my square is 8 row. This bigger triangle, you will do the same row as the square. So I have 8 rows here. I'm going to work this till I have 8 rows too. It's not like the smaller one that's you will make half of the row you made on the square. So go ahead. I'm done with my 3 double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over into the same space with double crochet to form the angle. Then I chain up 4 again on my work and put 3 double crochet in the same space and work back. So that is what you're going to be doing till you have the size you want for the triangle. I'm back and I'm done with this. So we now have 4 of this and this 3. So now we're going to go ahead to make this rectangle with the placket. For this rectangle, what we are going to do is we are going to count this last row, the number of clusters we have, which is 3 double crochet. So starting from the corner here, we are not going to count this side, we're going to count only this part of the corner. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Mine is 8. So go ahead and count yours. After counting yours, since I have 8, I'm going to make my first row to be 7. That is minus 1 of the total number I got here. So that is minus 1. So since I have 8, I'm going to start with 7 clusters. As you can see, this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I started with 7 clusters because I will only do 1 row on top of it. After the 1 row on top of it, I'm going to complete it too. If yours is 10, you start with 9. If it's 9, start with 8 clusters in one line, and each of these clusters will take 2 chains, like where the cluster is, chain 1 and the next cluster, chain 1 and next cluster. if you get what I'm saying. So I'm going to chain 14. Since it's 7, I'm going to chain 14. If yours is 8, chain 16. That is times 2. I'm going to chain 14, so go ahead and chain the amount you need for yours. If you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section so I will explain better. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Don't chain extra one. Go into the next stitch and do single crochet. Into the next one, single crochet. Work single crochet till you get to the end here. I will meet you here. I'm at the end of the row, and this is our last single crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work. Once you turn, yarn over into that space, put your double crochet, skip one, into the next one, put 3 double crochet, yarn over, skip one, into the next with 3 double crochet, yarn over, skip one, into the next with 3 double crochet. Work like that till you get to the end, and I will meet you there. I'm at the end, and we have 2 spaces here, so yarn over, skip this, go into the last one with 3 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over into the same space with 3 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over into the same space with 3 double crochet. So what we did in that space is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, all in the same space. Yarn over, go into the space where we have the other 3 double crochet and put 3 double crochet, yarn over, go into the space where we have 3 double crochet and put 3 double crochet. Work like that till you get to the end here. We'll meet you there. I'm at the end where we have the first 2 double crochet. Go into the same space with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 again, and 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet because we had 2 double crochet at the beginning. So go on top of that first double crochet, which is that chain 3, go on top of it and slip stitch, and you form 3 double crochet in one space. Go into the next space, slip stitch, chain up 3, yarn over into the same space with double crochet, and we have 2 there. Ignore it, we will go around, come back here and complete it. So yarn over into this space with 3 double crochet, work 3 double crochet in those spaces till you get to this corner. I'll come back here to show you what to do. I'm at the end here and I have worked 3 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over into the same space, work 3 double crochet again, yarn over into the next space, that is corner. Here is corner and here is corner. Do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that space. Yarn over into the next space with 3 double crochet, the next with 3 double crochet, work till you get to this end here. I'll come here to meet you again. I'm back to this corner, yarn over, do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that space, yarn over into the next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, yarn over into that first stitch where we did 2 double crochet, go in there with 1 double crochet, slip stitch on top of the third chain of the first double crochet, slip stitch into the next and slip stitch into the space there, chain 1, and this is what we have. So I'm done. Now I'm going to cut my yarn and reattach my yarn here at this end. So make a magic knot, attach it on this corner here, on what part of the corners, and secure it. Go into the same space and do your single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, single crochet, put single crochet in all the stitches till you get to this end here. I'll meet you at this corner. I'm at the end of the row and this is the last stitch, visible stitch you can see there. Go into that corner and do 1 single crochet, chain 1 and turn into this space after the chain 1 and do single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next single crochet, one single crochet till you get to the end here again. I'll meet you there. I'm at the end of the row, and this is the last single crochet there. Walk into that single crochet with single crochet, you chain one and turn, repeat the same thing back and forth till you have the number of rows you want. This is the thickness of the one I'm going for, and this is 1 inch. This is the thickness. This is 1 inch. So work the placket till the placket and that rectangle measures half of the size of the square you made. So go ahead. This is 2.5, which is the half of this square, which is 5 inches. So go ahead. So I have 8 squares lined up and another 8 square lined up. So arrange your square the way you prefer, the color, the mixture, and everything. Line it up. We are going to sew from here to the end. Then when we finish sewing these two lines together, we're going to sew it like this too. After sewing it like this, we are now going to join this end. After sewing together, we're going to join these two ends to these two ends. So it will be a big piece. I'm just trying to explain to you. After, I'll show you how to attach, and I'll come back to show you what's next to do. So I'll go ahead and show you how to attach them. We'll go ahead, just attach 8 lines with another 8 lines all together in round form. I'm going to start with these two here. You can start anywhere you want to. We'll be attaching from the back. So flip the back of the two piece, make a magic knot, get two of them that are facing, the two right sides are facing each other. So we are working from the back. Get your hook, make a magic knot, grab and secure this stitch, grab and secure your yarn. After securing your yarn, go into the first stitch, grab the same one from the back, and do your single crochet into the front to the back, and do your single crochet, go to the front, go to the back, and do your single crochet, go to the back, go to the front, go to the back, grab the stitch and do your single crochet. So work single crochet till you get to the end, and I'll show you how to join the next two sets. At the end of the square, go into that corner and do your single crochet. After that, get the second square and put them together the same way. Let the both wrong side face out and the two right side will face in. Once you go into that corner and do your single crochet, you walk into this both corners with single crochet too, and connect both of them. Once you connect both of them, go into the first stitch and do your single crochet into the next one, single crochet. So that is the way you will be connecting all of them till you get to the end. And when you come back, after you are done going this way, when you want to work on this side, it's just the same thing. Just turn it this way and work from here to the other end this way. When you want to join this way, attach from here and work till you get to the end here, and that is it. Till you join all these squares in round form. I'll come back to show you. This is how the stitches look. So go ahead, attach all these 8 together in round form, 8 square each round, 8 square each round, and I'll come back to meet you. I'm back. We have 16. We are not going to leave the edge on this line. We are going to make the edge to be on the half of the square this way. So the one that will end here will be a square that is folded into 2 instead of this edge being there. That is the way we will be working. So now what you are going to do is get another piece, place one here, get another one, place it here on top, get another one, place it here. So go ahead and sew another 3 on top of this 3 at the back, minus this folded square and this folded square. After sewing that, you get another one, place it here and here, and sew it on this square and this one on this square. Then you get that placket part. That placket part, you are going to sew it here and here. Place the next one, sew it here and here. I'll come back when I'm sewing this part to show you how to make it to wrap each other. Go ahead and do that. I'll come back to meet you. I'm back and this is what I have. Ignore all this ruffled side. We are going to block it and stretch it out when we are done. So this is what we have. I think I'll go ahead and attach more. Now what we are going to do is line up another 3. Line up another 3 and attach it on that back. After attaching it, you come here, put one on top of this one here and the one on top of this one, attach here to here, here to here. After attaching that 3, attach here to here and here to here, here to here and here to here, and here will be the shoulder. I'm back and this is what I have. Now what we are going to do next, get this mini triangle, attach it from here to here, here to here, do the same here, and the other 2, place it on the back part and attach it here to here, and this one at the back here to here. And I'll come back to meet you so that we'll fix here up and start working on the sleeve. After that, we will come back to the neck and work the collar before we start doing the finishing touches. So go ahead, I'll meet you when I fix these parts. I'm back and this is what I have. I have attached here, both the back one and the back one of this part. So if you look carefully here, I made extra two of this mini triangle because I don't like the way this place was looking. So I made extra two triangle the same size with this one, these mini ones, attached one here and attached one here. And this is what we have. I didn't forget here. Just ignore here for now. When we are done with the sleeves, we'll come back, fix it, and then work the collar. So for the sleeve part, this is what we are going to do. Bring these triangles, the bigger ones, place one here and one on top. Get one square, fold it into two, place it on top. Get another one, place it flat here. Another one, you place it flat. Get another one, fold it into two and place it on top of this one. This is how we are going to attach the sleeves. We are going to sew from here, right round to this end all together. Then after that, we will come and attach it from up here to down here. This is the shape you are going to have. When you fold it into two like this, you will now attach it on this part. You will attach it till you get to this point. Once you join here, you now fold this one and join it till down here, and that is what the sleeve will look like. Do it both sides, and I will come back so that we'll work here and start working the collar. I'm back and I'm done, and this is what I have. This is the sleeves. Just ignore the way it looks. After everything, when you block it, it will straighten up. So now we're going to work this part and then work the collar. First, work this side, turn it inside out. So it's inside out now. This is the square we're supposed to attach this placket part to. So now what we're going to do is attach your yarn here. Attach it till you get to this end where this placket started. When you get to that end, chain one and cut your yarn. Do the same this part. Make sure that each one is getting the matching stitch at the back. Once you get to the last one before the placket, which is here, once you get to that part, you chain one and cut your yarn. From here to this end, you chain one and cut. Work from here to this end, you chain one and cut. Then I'll come back to show you how we are going to attach this together before we now attach it to the remaining part. I have attached from here to here where the placket started, and do the same this side. So now what we are going to do is get this two. I'm going to cross it, the right one on top of the left one, like this. So when you turn your back, it will look the same. Arrange it the way it will be comfortable for you. I will jump 1, 2, 3 on the fourth one, because these are single crochets and this formation here is 2 rows. So this is 2 rows and this is 2 rows. So together there are 4 rows. So I'm going to attach it on these 4 rows. So I'll bring this one and place it on top of this 4. Now insert your hook on the first stitch and on the 4th stitch at the back. Attach your yarn and stitch it together to the end. I'm at the end. Chain 1 and cut. After you chain 1 and cut, now hold all the pieces together like this. Attach it from where we stopped here and join it here. So we're now going to walk straight. When you get to these stitches, pass through all of them together till you come to this end. You slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. I'm done. I have flipped my work and this is how it looks. So we are done this side. Now we're going to work the collar. For the collar, attach your yarn on the first stitch of that placket. Go into that same stitch and do your single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, single crochet, when you get to this stitch here, walk into it and do your single crochet into the next one, do 2 single crochet, so each of them we get 2 single crochet. Each of them will get 2 single crochet. So whenever you get to this part where we have this double crochet ending, put 2 single crochet there. So work like that till you get to this part where you can see the stitches. Go into every stitch with single crochet, both here right round, till you get to this part. We will put in 2 single crochet into this stitch, 2 single crochet, work like that till you come back to this end. I will meet you there. I'm back. I have worked single crochet right round. I came to this end, chain 1 and cut my yarn, but you don't need to cut your yarn. I cut my yarn because I want to change color. I want the color to be brown. So if you want yours to be the same color, you can go ahead. I just want the color to be brown. Chain up 3, yarn over, skip 2 into the 3rd one, go in there with 3 double crochet in that stitch, yarn over, skip 2, this and this into the 3rd one, go in there with 3 double crochet in one stitch, yarn over, skip 2 into the 3rd one, go in there with 3 double crochet, work like that till you come to the shoulder here. I'll meet you there. I'm at the shoulder and I have worked 3 double crochet in this space, chain 2, yarn over, Go into the same space with 3 double crochet. We have 3 double crochet chain 2, 3 double crochet on this shoulder part. Yarn over, skip 2 into the third one, go in there with 3 double crochet. Skip 2 again, put 3 double crochet, work till you come to this shoulder again. I'll meet you there. I'm at the other shoulder, chain 2. I've worked 3 double crochet in that space, chain 2, go into the same space with another 3 double crochet. Skip 2 into the third one, work 3 double crochet. Keep working like that till you come to this end. I'll meet you here. In case yours is not a multiple of 3, because we worked single crochet right round, so in case your stitches doesn't fall in multiple of 3 for you to do this, when you get to end, you will find a way to make it fit in. If it's remaining like 1, you can skip it and go into the last one. I'm close to the last stitch, and after this 3 double crochet two I have 2 stitches left instead of 3. So what I'm going to do is I will yarn over, go into that last one with double crochet, chain up 3, and turn your work, yarn over into that space, go in there with another 2 double crochet, because this chain 3 is standing as double crochet here. So we have 3 double crochet to the next one, double crochet. So all these spaces will be getting 3 double crochet each. When we get to this place where we did 3 double crochet chain 2, 3 double crochet, we are going to put 3 double crochet into the next one, 3 double crochet. We are not going to repeat what we did here, which is 3 double crochet chain 2, 3 double crochet. We are going to put just 3 double crochet, go into the next stitch and put 3 double crochet. We will walk around till we get to this place again. We put just 3 double crochet and continue till we get to the end here. I'll come back to meet you. I'm at the end of the row. I will go in here with 3 double crochet, chain 3 and turn, yarn over, go into that space and put 3 double crochet, into the next with 3 double crochet, so this is what we are going to be doing. You will be working 3 double crochet right round. When you come to this end, go on top of this last first double crochet here and do your double crochet, turn and work back and forth till you have your desired color length. I'll come back when I have my desired color length and I'll show you the size and how many rows I did. Then after that, we'll proceed to the finishing touches, like going right around both the under and the sleeves with extra row just to make it look neat. I'm back. So this is what we have. I'm done with the collar. I did 8 rows of granny stitches. After the 8 rows, I work single crochet till this end and slip stitch. Also came to this side, work single crochet and slip stitch here, cut my yarn. So after that, I came down to this part and work single crochets right round. You can do it with your background color. You can do it with maybe any color in your color palette. And if you look at the sleeves, I did single crochet right round too, remaining this part. This part, I'm going to show you how I worked the single crochets, what you will do when you come to this part. Because I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm trying everything possible to make it shorter and explain it better at the same time. So what you're going to do is bring whichever yarn color you are using for the single crochet, attach it under the arm part. Go into the same space and do your single crochet. Into the next one, single crochet. So put single crochet till you get to this corner here. When you get to this corner where these two square join each other, go into that space and do your single crochet. Go into the same space again, pull up a loop, don't work single crochet, go into the second one and pull up a loop, and you have 3 on your hook. Yarn over and put through all the 3. Then go into the next stitch and single crochet, into the next stitch and single crochet. Continue with your single crochet till you get to that joining again. On the other part, you repeat the same thing. And at the end of the row, go into that first single crochet and slip stitch. Go into the second stitch, pull up a loop and slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. This is what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and block it. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I will go ahead, block it and stretch it out so it will look neat. Go ahead, sew in the ones you can sew in, cut off the ones you can cut off and tie the ones you can tie together, and we are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial.